Hi guys, this is Chris from Peasant Garage, and today we're gonna deal with the Latina Racing Stripes a little bit. We're gonna get into this, and we're gonna get this solved in about a minute. We're gonna do a 1 minute body job on this thing. Start with your can of brake clean, okay? Use a lot. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just wipe that up. Make sure that's good and clean. All right. Make sure you want to make sure you get in those scratches and you clean them up real good, okay? And you see, just the brake clean by itself doing a good job on those scratches. All right, get in there. Make sure you get that little chip down there at the bottom. Make sure you get that nice and clean. You want to make sure you infiltrate all of that, all of those scratches with the brake clean. Make sure they're nice and clean in there. You have a nice surface. All right. Okay, so this just peels off.
Oh, okay, so it comes off and then I guess you stick the whole thing and then peel off the plastic from whatever surface you put the sticker on.
That's it. So I gotta be careful. If I can do this, anybody can do it. So do we cut? Yeah,
that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, cut there and then kind of stick the sticker up under the door and over the rocker.
We didn't get any bubbles in them. I'm almost disappointed.
Yeah, actually, they actually seem like the stickers are a little thick. They seem like nice quality.
Fantastic quality. Mm-hmm. I think if they don't fade quick, I'm gonna be stoked. But on the side, they shouldn't. Yeah,
that's the thing. Yeah, they're not gonna be facing the sun. So.
I mean, I think that's why, if I'm not mistaken, when I see guys do this, I think that's why they put this plastic shit on there, is so that you can really put pressure on it without damaging the actual sticker itself.
Right.
Yeah, I'm a sticker expert here. You know, when you're doing body work, you got to be careful. You know, like you gotta take your time and you got to be meticulous. Razor blade, so I'm gonna freehand it.
Okay, yeah, that's good enough because it's just gonna curl under.
I'm thinking I can follow the bottom of the door. That's what. Or
you can curled up. You're not really gonna see it.
Should I go? So I should follow this line, not the top of the door. Obviously, I should follow this line so that we can curl it, like you're saying, right?
Either middle or maybe towards the top because this angle is quite sharp.
Yeah.
So it's once it curls under, it disappears quickly. But this one, like the rocker, kind of goes in and up. So you see a little bit of the leg.
So you want to go in the middle, which is actually harder because I got nothing to follow.
I think upper.
Upper, okay. Because once you get started, it's not bad. But it has a resistance as you're pulling it through. Mm-hmm. So
I guess it's a bit like when you do that paper cutting trick where you hold the scissors open and push it through the paper.
Yeah, and what we can do is we can open the door, right, and we can push this in.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Oh, okay, no, it's a good thought. Okay, no, you're thinking ahead of me then, because I wasn't there. But I'm just trying to figure out if I've got it actually cut the whole way through here so that there's no calamity when I open the door. Yeah, see, I'm kind of worried about that seal.
Well, you want me to slowly open the door while you look?
Let's see here.
There you go.
Fuck, that's awesome. Oh, there's actually a seal. So that's actually.
Oh, so yeah,
it'll actually hold it there.
Perfectly integrated.
Well, this is a different problem, but all right. Well, we'll look at that later. There's something I didn't know about. All right, so we can go ahead and we can take off the coating. Stay on the car. No. Wow, is that ever hard to pull off? I'm picky about this. You're gonna put stupid stickers on your car, you might as well do a good job. I love it. That's awesome. That's awesome. So far, so good. Okay, careful with this guy.
Oh, here's the, if you want to reinforce some of the stuff there.
That's why I washed the panel, is because I didn't want dirt to be the thing. Oh, there we go. That seems to work. So if you have some problems, you just work. It's cold too, eh?
Yeah.
It's not helping. All right, so you almost have to do the whole friggin' outline.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're getting serious. I'm committing.
Beautiful.
Is that cool or what? I don't know, it's growing on me. It's not just crazy, I kind of like it. I hate to admit it, it's pretty cool. It's almost 3D looking.
Yeah. Well, it's a good quality sticker. The art is nice.
So, yeah. Wow. I really like. I'm glad you talked me into doing the feet, because I think it really looks good. Okay, so I'm going to cut it from this side now. Let's see if I can do it the same skill. No overconfidence. Crap. It doesn't feel right. So I think I can feel the weather stripping. I'm probably cutting it a bit behind it. It's a wonderful thing about a $500 car. I'm not so worried. Look at this with my little teaser.
Oh,
I just had a thought. I'm becoming an expert now at applying Street Fighter stickers. There we go. For a guy who's never done this before, this is pretty good, I think. Almost a disaster here, but it worked out for me. Pulling in the right direction. I'm sure it's because it's cold. If it was warm out, this would be like a joke. Oh, his foot wants to come off. Some rub, we'll rub his feet here. So, oh crap. Oh no. Oh no.
Open the door?
Yeah, we're open.
Access?
Yeah, I gotta go sit on that side. Sure we get those in there. There we go. Well,
Sorry.
Sorry. No, it's okay. Was not expecting that. Okay.
Hi there.
Jesus. Okay. I'm sure there's some guy who does decals going, oh, what an idiot. Oh, man. All four corners want to peel the sticker.
Oh, great. You could use the razor.
Yeah, where'd that? Body work is hard, guys. To be precise. All right.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. Almost. Don't do it in Canadian weather. Wait till summer to fix your body work. Bet you there's release agents and all kinds of stuff you can use for this.
Oh, probably.
It's gonna fight me the whole way.
Making confetti there.
Yep. Oh crap! It had to fight me. Couldn't be easy. It's like, oh, it's easy. Just put a sticker on there.
Oh, you want to swap out? Okay.
You want to give it a shot?
Yeah.
It's just my anger.
Yeah.
Right now, if you want me to grab something and smash it with a sledgehammer, all right. So it's looking pretty good at a distance. From a distance. All right. Well, I think you got most of it, actually. I think it's enough that we don't have to worry about it. You're very close.
I know it's there.
Oh, okay, you know. Okay.
But most of it though. Just gotta
Yeah. They are very vinyl stickers, so we are getting away with a lot here, I think.
the actual sticker's getting a little scratched up.
Yeah, I'd leave it. I think, it's in, now we're at the door. We're in the door area where you're not going to see it.
It's gonna be
See, where we're going to end up screwing up his knee if we keep going further.
beautiful.
That's definitely a look. I like it. It's a way to make something more obvious, but have fun with it.
Mm-hmm.
Looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
In the end, I thought it was going to look crazy, but I think it looks fun.
And they're actually high quality stickers. So, like, if they were garbage, it would be like a cheap thing. But they're nice stickers. They're the right size. They're perfect.
There you go. If you wouldn't be with me, you would not be able to do that.
What's that?
If you wouldn't be with me, you wouldn't be able to do that.
It definitely had some impact on the creativity.